You clicked on this video because you want to make money, all right? Or, you know, more money. This is going to be honestly the most cracked strategy right now in 2026. Cold calling takes too long, it's annoying, and it sucks. Cold outreach, you need a ton of money, and it sucks, and you got to do sales calls at the end of the day. Here's how we can bypass sales calls, bypass all that weirdness, and just get in front of the customer, get the customer to buy your product. We're going to do this is with ChatGPT. And I know it's already been about 15, 20 seconds in the video, and you already want to click off. I wouldn't click off for you. I can see you trying to click to the next video, looking around. Don't do it. You can if you don't like money, but if you like money, you might as well just stay and learn how to make, an extra 10 to 20 grand on top of your ecom business. So if you want results like this, we got the store to 10,000 visitors in about a month. He made like $6,000 to $8,000 in a single month, and we only spent like $500. It wasn't ads, so this type of traffic is going to keep coming in for him. And the way we did it is by getting his company placed inside of ChatGPT. So, for example, if you look up best hoodies for the rain and mud. So, what we want to do is to show up whenever anyone looks up a keyword like this. So, say if you're selling rain jackets, you want to be showing up in keywords like this, where it's like best rain jackets for in the United States, made it in the US, or X topic. You want to be right here. You click here. Oh, mud gear. Bam, you have a customer right there. And that's the way we generated 10,000 visitors in about a month and generated $8,000 in revenue for this client. I'm going to show you exactly how we got him to rank on ChatGPT. There's actually two simple methods that you guys can do. Number one, it's going to be Reddit marketing. Everyone talks about it. It's kind of saturated. It's not the best strategy, I would say, but it definitely works and it is overpowered. So if you want to see the most cracked strategy, wait and watch the entire video all the way until the end. That's exactly how we got this client to $8,000 every single month from organic traffic. Okay. So with Reddit, it's really simple. There's nothing really else to it. Like you can buy like Reddit software that does it for you, or you can do it yourself. We can just go to jackets for weather. All right, so now we're in jackets for weather. Perfect question. So we can post a comment like this. If we're selling jackets, it says, they've never owned a jacket before. Which one should they get? And once you ask this question, all you do, you recommend your product. Recommend your product. Recommend your product. There's like five helis in here. There's like, there's like 8 helis. This is obviously a heli Reddit marketing thread to market heli. And this works. This will get you ranked. And, I know a lot of people that have gotten to five, six, $10,000 a month just from Reddit marketing. So all you want to do, make a ton of Reddit accounts, really simple, and then make a bunch of threads like this, and then market your product through Reddit. ChatGPT scrapes from Reddit, and also you get seen through Reddit. Really simple, really nothing else to it. And then the second way we can go about it, this is going to be the most cracked strategy right now to rank on ChatGPT, and that is to buy expired domains and publish like 1,000 blog posts and get a PBS. So if you're a newbie, you want to order expired domains. Where is it at? Let's see. So expired domains, you can go to Turbify, or you can go to Namecheap. You can find you can find a domain that you want to buy, and you have to make sure it is aged, meaning it has backlinks. So you want to go to the site right here. It's called expireddomains.net. You search that up, and you can see that this one has no backlinks. So we can find another one. Let's look up Texas. Oh. So this one has 306 backlinks. So you're going to buy 10 of those expired domains with backlinks. And you want to make a really simple site like this. So this one just has a regular homepage. It's a one-page site. So if you click anywhere, it's the same one page. And then you're going to click the blog section. You're just going to have a blog page with the FAQ. So the blog page, you just want to post 10 blogs on all 10 links. You're going to post 100 blog posts throughout the 10 links. So 10 blog posts per link. And also, if you don't know what to write for the 100 blog post, here is a ChatGPT prompt right here. You just put it in ChatGPT. It'll make you 100 blog posts, and then you can distribute them throughout the blog network that you guys made. And then after you guys do that, you index it into Google. Wait 2 weeks. It takes about 2 weeks for ChatGPT to start citing these blogs and actually use our content and start recommending your product. After you wait 2 weeks, if you're getting pretty good results, this is how you skyrocket those results into $10,000, $20,000 a month. You want to buy a PBN. So a PBN is a private blog network. They're really cheap. This one is the one I use. It's about $150 a post, and you get about 40 websites. I think it's like 40 websites, and it drips for like 3 to 5 days. You do this, you fill out the form, put in your links, put in your keywords. This is going to skyrocket your search, and you should get some results looking similar to this, if not better. So hopefully like the video, hopefully this makes you guys some money. This should only cost you max $200 to $300 one time. And then after that, it's probably going to be like $150 upkeep to keep posting the PBN links. So yeah, if you want more information, or if you want a software that does this for you guys totally automatically or autonomously, feel free to email me or click the link in the description. All right, take care.